Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community, my sweet friends? I hope all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most outclass collection of handmade crochet turtleneck clients collection. So please don't skip the video, watch this video start to end, because this video is very helpful, especially for neckline lovers and handmade crochet items lovers. So, and very stunning and unique designs. Must apply these beautiful designs and must make these for yourself. I hope you all love these most amazing collection, viewers. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs, so be connected with me and please share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of amazing turtleneck line designs ideas with crochet shirts. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs, like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for a new and latest update. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors, different type of themes and different type of designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Viewer must apply these beautiful designs and if you want more and more designs, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, this is very amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to a crochet item. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Bye bye.